Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn, and today we're having a look at this light kit for the NEO 2. It's very cool. It's provided to me by ViFly in exchange for this review, but yeah, we'll have a look, see what it's like. Today I'm at a Kingston drone meet, having a lot of fun with the guys, and I'm testing out these light strips. It's kind of cool. It's got light strip around the outside, just clips right on. It's all 3D printed and goes on very, very easily. And then on the back there's like a little the battery unit and control section and everything clips onto the back of the transmitter module. I don't know what you do if you don't have a transmitter module. I guess it doesn't work. So anyway, it's kind of cool. Makes your drone a little more visible, slightly more visible. I wouldn't say that downward facing light is particularly bright, but it certainly makes it stylish. The light strip weighs in at about 40 grams, so your NEO 2 is still well under 250 grams, even with it installed. There's a USB-C port for charging, and they last about an hour on a charge. So what do you think of these lights?
Yeah, so they certainly look pretty cool, that's for sure.
Now I've got them in multicolor. I think they call that rainbow mode.
Okay, so they change colors.
So on the bottom of one of the sides, there's a button. Yo, this button. There's so many. There's actually two little buttons on there.
Oh, I see.
So a double tap and it changes mode.
Oh, okay. Now it's all green.
Yeah, and then a single tap it'll change the color.
Yeah. Cycle through them here.
Yeah.
Got a good. And then a double tap will get me into party mode again, will it?
Well, yeah. There's about 6 different modes.
Oh wow! Wow.
That's
track of them all.
So slow slide.
Oh, look at that one.
Cylon Warrior.
Look at that one.
I like that. Yeah. And then a double tap.
Or if you're going along,
different color, same thing.
Actually,
oh, around the circle.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, and then back to. Oh no, that changes colors. Holy jumping! You can't keep track of all these.
There's so many modes. Yeah. It's very cool.
Yeah, that's kind of cool, isn't it? And this light switches off and on too.
There's a separate switch under there.
Okay, yeah.
For turning that on and off.
That
just a single press and it goes on. And
that is really cool. Yeah. Jazz things up a little bit.
It does jazz things up.
Yeah. Things up a little bit. That's kind of neat.
Where these lights really shine, if you pardon the expression, is at night. Your neighbors will definitely think the aliens have arrived. So there we have it, the ViFly light kit for the DJI NEO 2. There's a link in the description below. Enjoy.